I really should be packing for my trip to Bali right now, but I'm way too excited, so I decided to make a video and just share with you what's happening. My Colourpop made in LA, my build your own palette has arrived. So I'm like, I need to open this before I can do anything else, before I can clean the house, before I can pack, before I can do whatever I need to do. I need to open this package. And yes, I have my coffee. It is, I think, 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. but like, I need it. So okay, anyway, lashes from today are sponsored by Luxmere Beauty Salon in Singapore. I'm going to put some details of the salon down in the video description so you can check them out. So let's get started. Okay, so I ordered this like about 1 to 2 weeks ago on the Colourpop main website, and and I also sign up for email notifications as and when the parcel is transiting in different places from LA, I think, all the way to Singapore. And so finally, it's here. So I'm so excited because I leave for Bali tomorrow, which means I get to bring this palette with me to Bali. Okay, let's open it right now. I have no idea what it looks like in the package, but I know what palette I got. So let's just see if it meets expectations. It's a bit dangerous to be pointing this right at me. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, yellow, I like yellow. Ooh, Colourpop, it says. Okay, so it's very well, there's like all the, what do you call this? The bubble wrap. Oh my god, their bubble wrap is like so cute. It's not bubble wrap, it's just like plastic with air in it. I'm gonna just, hold on. Okay, there's that delivery slip with my address on it, so you don't need to see that. Ooh. It says, don't worry, be happy. I'm super happy right now. Colourpop. Okay. Ooh la la la. All my shadows are here. Ah! They come in like little sachets like this, each of them. So cute. And then at the back, you get the shade name. So this one is Sweet Eyes. Snake Eyes, sorry, Snake Eyes is one of the more like a highlighter kind of shade. And oh my god, look at this one. This one, what is this? Paradiso. Such a nice deep purple. It's like a shimmer shade. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I get to build my palette. Okay, they all seem quite fine to me. So that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna take them out from the box, because I bought myself like a purple color kind of palette. I chose all the purple shades because it's really hard to find purple shades, a palette made with purple shades in the market right now actually, that has colors that will fit one another and fit your skin tone as well. So because I am quite good with colors and I know what colors suit my skin tone, so it was really nice that I could just pick the colors that I know would work for me and would work well with one another. Alright. Oh, look at this one. Which one is this? Mr. Sandman. The glitter in this is amazing. You can see it, I think. Okay, anyway, so those, and then there was like a highlighter shade. This one is a highlighter shade in Padded Down. Then there's a Chic color, Why Hello, this one. And then there's that contour powder in Wild Card. Ta-da! So perfect. And then, oh yes. Okay, wait. Let me look at this one first. This is the palette case. I'm just gonna put the box down. This is the palette case that I chose, and actually like a few days after I placed my order and bought my palette, they came up with one that had like unicorn pastel shimmer color palette. I was like, oh my god, I should have waited because that one was so pretty. But yeah, anyway, you get this one. It's nice. It says, I like your face. Like, I like your face. I love the color. It's so happy. I love purple pink colors. at the... Sorry about that, my phone just kind of stopped recording. So anyway, I was saying this is the back of the palette. This is what it looks like. It's still like really artsy farty, pink, purples, and some blues. I really like it. And then when you open it, that's where you put all the colors. So the palette that I customized is one with 12 individual eyeshadow shades and 3 bigger like highlighter, blush, and contour shades. So I think it's like the 3 big ones at the bottom, and then you get like the 12 eyeshadow colors, like 4 by 4 by 4. So it makes up a 12 total of like 15 different colors that you can have in the palette. And so it's magnetic. So what I need to do is just like take out one of these from the sachets and then just place them into the palette like that. So I'm gonna get started, I guess. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, but like before before I get started, I also bought like a couple lip products in order for me to get free shipping. And I got so cute. The color, look at that. It's like pale blue and pale pink. There's an ultra glossy lip, so I got a gloss to test it out, and the Lippie Stix. I only bought 2 products because I need to test out their formulas in order to know whether I would be allergic to them or not, because I have very sensitive lips. So that's why I only bought 1 product from each like range, 1 color from each range. Let's look at the glossy lip first. So exciting. Okay, so I'm opening it. That's what the box looks like inside. It's like, it's got like really pink blobs, pink circle blobs. Ooh, look at the color. Oh my god, look at this. So pretty. What shade is this? It says put me on your lips. Of course I will. I don't remember. Okay, it says Wolfie. Yes, Wolfie. Okay, let's just give this a try. Oh my god, look at that. I'm just gonna, I need a mirror. Where can I get a mirror? I'm just gonna use my Makeup Revolution London taste because it's got a nice mirror. And I am going to try the color on my already colored lips. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, so you can see. Can you see? Oh my god, it's gorgeous! Look at this color. Okay, if you just if you fast forwarded the video and just got up to this point, this is the color of Wolfie, the Colourpop lip gloss on my already colored lips. So the color that I had on before I put the gloss was Slow Burn by Marc Jacobs. So this is almost finished. This is the color below the gloss color. So I layered these 2, and this is the final effect, and I super love it. Oh my god, it's so so gorgeous. Okay, so anyway, there's that one. And then I got the Lippie Stix. I know Lippie Stix is one of the best sellers of Colourpop, so that's why I'm super excited to try it. Let's see. Ooh, so it looks like that, like a piece of chalk. The color I got is Brink in matte. Oh my god, I'm so scared I'm gonna break this. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and then you just twist and the sticks just come out. Sorry. So anyway, I will probably do a swatch of these colors soon, but I know what the color looks like, so I'm gonna just show you on my skin. Wow, that was just one swipe, guys. And you have a color like this. My light's a little bit yellow, as you can see the reflection on my skin, but it's a very natural kind of dark color that you know, like makes people take you seriously, but then not too seriously, and you don't look overly glamorous either. It's quite close to what color I have on right now, which is the kind of colors that I like anyway. So yes, I'm so excited. I'm gonna start building my Colourpop palette, my build your own palette, and I will show you guys what it looks like at the very end of this video. Okay, so let's get started. So this is my final product. All the shades were shades that I picked out myself after doing tons of research online, you know, looking at people's swatches and everything. And so I selected all these shades because these are the ones that I feel go best on a neutral to cool kind of skin tone. And so just a little bit of tips for you if you're Asian or Southeast Asian like me and your skin tone is very similar to mine. You would want to pick a blush that doesn't have shimmer, and then you pick a highlighter with shimmer that's a bit more champagne in color. And then finally, your contour shouldn't be something that is too reddish or brick kind of color, because that's just not gonna sit very well on your face. Now for the rest of the colors, the eyeshadow colors, it's always a good idea to get something that's light color so you can use it for highlighting, even for the under eye if you want to highlight your waterline. I picked some brinjal colors as well because these are colors that are not easy to find, and if you find colors like these, sometimes they don't blend very well, but I have full faith in Colourpop Cosmetics eyeshadow colors. So the other tip that I have for you is to pick a neutral eye color, like a base, a color that you can use for the base, because you never know, you know, like it's always important to have something for base anyway. And also, more importantly, you need dark matte shadows. So shadows like this one here, it's a matte color, and that dark brown is definitely a must. Anytime you have a purple base or a purple kind of eye look, you need to balance that out with some browns and some matte browns. So this is why I have also picked a matte kind of chocolate brown color here, because when you want to do a smoky eye, you need to have a matte color, and black would be too much unless you're going for an OTT kind of look, you know, for the night, going to the clubs and all that stuff. But if you're going for something a bit softer but still also smoky, then browns go very well with purples together. Okay, so that's just some basic tips that I have for you. And again, like, this is a really gorgeous eyeshadow palette that I picked for myself. I will put all the shades in the video description below, and I will label them as well in a photo so that you can refer easily to the shade colors if you want to build the same palette that I have. Okay, so thanks guys for watching, and I hope to do a video really soon on some looks that I can create using the palette that I have, and I hope to see you in my next video really soon. Okay, I gotta go get packing right now. See you in my next video. Bye.